I know what you're thinking. Don't even say it. Don't even say it. I know. There's a line on my forehead. I just took my do-rag off and I had double compression. So don't roast me. Actually, matter of fact, go roast me. The person that makes the funniest joke within the first 3 days after I upload this video will get, well, won't get anything. But you'll just know you've won. But anyway, I know what else you're thinking. Wave man, didn't you do this already? Didn't you do how to get waves in 5 minutes? And 15 minutes? And 30 minutes? Alright, calm down. Let me explain. See, when I did those videos, everyone went in the comments and attacked me, saying 5 minutes isn't enough, 15 minutes isn't enough, blah, blah, blah. But here's the thing. This one, the one that you're watching, is foolproof. See, I already know. If you do this method every day for an hour, your waves will come in. In fact, they won't only come in, they'll be great. An hour a day is more than enough time. I myself brush my hair for an hour each day. So if you're telling me that's not enough, then you're the one doing something wrong. Before we get this video started, I want to play a game. It's called Activity. Here's what you have to do. Step 1, like the video. Step 2, drop a comment saying activity. Step 3, go to someone else's comment and reply. You can say anything. And step 4, drop a like on that person's comment. Actually, drop a like on all the comments. If we do it this way, even your comment will get a lot of likes. So if you have a dream of getting a lot of likes on your comment, then today is your day. But now the moment you've all been waiting for. Let's get this video started.
Doing this thing for clout. They doing this thing for clout.
I feel like I need to do this, so I will. Disclaimer, results may vary, okay? Everybody's hair is different. I have coarser hair. You might have a different hair type. You'll have different results from me. But at the end of the day, your hair should be waved at least a little. The good thing about this is that you really don't need too many products. You'll need some moisturizer, pomade, a brush, and a do-rag. All of these are relatively cheap, so don't worry. So before you even start your wave journey, you need to make sure you have a haircut. The haircut you get is going to depend on your hair type. People with hair like me should get their hair cut lower than somebody with straight hair. The straighter the hair, the longer the cut. Someone with straight hair should cut their hair to about a 2.5 with the grain. Someone with hair like mine should cut their hair to about a 1 with the grain. Keep in mind that the length you cut your hair to this time is shorter than the length you would cut your hair to the next time. Okay, so now that you've got your hair cut, let's get into the things you'll need. Okay, so the first thing you're gonna need is a moisturizer. You need to keep your hair moisturized. You can't have dry hair. It doesn't look nice. I recommend Shea Moisture, only because this is the only moisturizer I've used before. So this is how you use it. Dip your finger in there. Get a dime size. Like this. I'm just gonna put this back because I'm not actually doing it right now. So pretend I still have it on my finger. So now rub it into your hands. Now you're gonna rub it into your hair. Put it in the same direction that you brush. How much you put in really depends on how long your hair is. It also depends on your hair type. If you have straight hair, you're gonna put in a lot more than somebody who has coily or kinky hair. That's because this makes your hair curl. And you don't wanna over curl your hair if it's already super curly. By the way, if you didn't already know, waves are just curls stretched out, then laid flat on your head. Okay, product number 2, get a pomade. I recommend Murray's pomade for beginners. The pomade is just there to hold your hair down. Remember how you put the moisturizer in? Well, just like the moisturizer, you're gonna rub it in your hair the same way that you brush. So get a dime size, rub it in your hands, then rub it in your hair. Product number 3. Now this one is super important. If you want waves, you absolutely need this. You can't get waves without it. It is the brush. You don't need any special type of brush. Any brush with regular bristles should honestly do the job. But since we're on the topic, I'll go ahead and recommend some. This brush is by Smooth Styles. This is a medium curved brush. You can cop this brush with a discount if you use my code. My code is WaveMan, but use all capital letters. While I'm recommending this brush, let me tell you why I like it. I feel that since it doesn't have a handle, it adds more control. I feel like handles kind of get in the way, not all that much, but you can tell the difference with this brush. It also has a nice clean design. Then it seems kind of durable. Again, if you want to cop this brush, you can get it from Smooth Styles. Their website is www.smoothstyles.com. Also remember that since this is a brush company, it isn't like this is the only brush they have. They have many brushes, so go check them out. And if you decide to buy a brush, then use my code WaveMan using all caps for a discount. Product number 4, the do-rag. What do you think a do-rag is for? No, seriously, go tell me what you think a do-rag is for in the comments.
I'm curious what people think. I've heard a lot of crazy things from people about do-rags. Some people think that the do-rag is the thing that actually gives you waves. I always just laugh when I hear it. That's so funny to me. Like, seriously, answer this question. If a do-rag was the thing that gave you waves, then what would be the point of brushing your hair? See? That will make brushing your hair pointless now, wouldn't it? But nobody ever thinks of it that way. Well, if you actually don't know what a do-rag does, then you're in luck today, because I'm about to tell you. Okay, so what does a do-rag do? Well, it actually has 2 main functions. 1, it lays your hair down, and 2, it protects your hair. So the best time to wear your do-rag is overnight. That way your hair won't be messed up when you wake up, and it will be laid. See, I'm giving you all the insight. I think this deserves a like. Go press that like button. You go press the like button. Stop being selfish. We all know there's someone out there who ain't hit it yet. Pause. I'm talking about the like button, nothing else. You dirty minded piece of. Anyway, now I'm gonna demonstrate everything that I talked about. Well, kinda. See, I'm gonna use older clips that I've made before. I was gonna do it now, but my hair looks really good and I don't want to change it. So sit back, relax, and enjoy these clips.
Alright, rub this in your hair. I'm probably gonna need to, I'm probably not even gonna put it in my whole head, but okay. Alright, when you put that in your hair, go ahead and brush it in.
Enjoy this small moment of 360 wave ASMR.
All right, that's all I'm gonna do for that part. Keep it nice and short for the sake of the video. Take the pomade, scoop some up, boom. If that was not enough, some more. Put it in your hand. Okay. Rub it in your hair. Dang, that was like all of it I just put on the top. Now go ahead and brush that in. So I'm not looking in the mirror, so I don't know what the back of my head looks like right now. Hopefully it's not all jacked up. All right, good enough for the sake of this video. You get the point. Take that do-rag, put it on your head, put the seam in the middle. I made a video on how to tie a do-rag, so you can go watch that if you don't know how to tie one. I'm not gonna explain it again because, you know, I want you to go watch that video, so go watch it. Voila.
Okay, so that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Remember, we're playing that activity game. If you forgot the rules, I'll go over them again. Step 1, like the video. Step 2, drop a comment saying activity. Step 3, go to someone else's comment and reply. You can say anything. And step 4, drop a like on all of the comments below. But yeah, I'm Wave Man Mike. Subscribe, comment, and like. Enjoy your day.